Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how to saute beet greens. Beet greens are the leafy part of the beet plant. Beet greens are packed with high amounts of vitamins and nutrients, including iron, protein, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and fiber. Starting off with leaves that have been cleaned, you'll remove the stem from the leaf. Take a few of the leaves and stack them on top of each other. Roll it and then give it a rough chop. Rinse the chopped leaf under cold water a few times. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil or oil of your choice. One tablespoon minced garlic. Half a tablespoon épices. A few slices of onion. After allowing these ingredients to cook for a few minutes, add the beet greens. Just like spinach, once this starts to cook, it'll shrink down to almost nothing. Add a dash of salt. Stir and allow to cook for a few minutes. Now there you have it, sauteed beet greens. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.